What's up, guys? Today a vintage one. We're going to check out this old ROYCE 1660. This one works. Everything powers up. Lights work. All the digits work. 23 channel. It's all there. This one's pretty decent. It's not in too bad a shape. A couple scratches, not too bad. You know, it shows a little bit of signs of wear, but this one doesn't look like it's been used a whole lot. Looks like it would clean up real nice and be a pretty decent vintage radio. Today we have it hooked up to the Dozy Feel Good meter. Right now we're on the 20-watt scale, peak. So 20 across the top. We're going to key up. Show you the TX light works there. And you can hear the test radio in the background we have hooked up, so here we go. Keying about 3 watts. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check, check. And you can see the meter here. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, pretty good radio. Audio, check, check. I like these old ROYCE radios. They're solid. It's when things were built to last. It's not the cheap, plastic stuff they just threw together like today's export radios. This is when they built them to last. Like I said. ROYCE 23 channel module transceiver 1660. Here's a working example, guys. It's cool. Concrete in the cornfields 73.